What's all that rustling?
My show and tell project. A Peruvian fighting frog.
Hey, I brought a Peruvian fighting frog.
When will they stop?
Come nightfall. Froggy, I'm home. Hi, little fella. Got some nice juicy flies for ya.
Jeez Louise, look at this mess. I told that boy 1 billion times to pick up his job. They're gonna divide the school in two?
Yeah, one for boys and one for girls.
It is gonna be awesome. Now I can walk down the hall with Bart Jr. hanging out. Isn't that right, Bart Jr.?
Budweiser. Coors. Nothing. Here we go. Yeah.
Homer?
Huh? What the?
Hello? Is there anybody in there?
Marge!
Dad, are you licking toads?
I'm not licking toads. Oh, it's time to get to work. Humanitarian Homer Simpson, over and out.
Oh! He took my contact! Ah! Now I got 2 in 1 eye!
Oh, my great good God. Gentlemen, your attention, please. I am detecting a gigantic amphibious life form. It's 80 meters long, and it's heading this way. Oh, good gravin', it's on my shoe. It's a small frog. Just get off. Just get off there. Just get out of it. Get out of it. Stupid machine.
Can't bring in outside plants or animals. Any foreign creature you bring in could upset the environmental balance.
Oh. Sorry, girl. I don't want to get in any more trouble down here. I'll pick you up on the way home.
Hey, look! Those frogs are eating all their crops!
Well, that's what happens when you introduce foreign species into an ecosystem that can't handle them.